Today I'll be showing you guys all of my fidgets. So first off, this pea popper. The small one's kind of hard to pop it out. This one is like one of my favorites because you can put it on your backpack. And next is this poppet. The quiet side, it's really hard. And the loud side, this is my poppet. Blue and white poppet. Now time for the mochis. So here are my mochis. I got this pink cat one that can stick on the wall. I'm going to show you guys how these stick on the wall. They're really sticky. They're getting really dirty. And this one, it has a weird texture. I like this one because of the face. This bunny one's really cute. I got a pink bunny. This one has his eyes closed and this one has his eyes opened. This one's blue and one's pink. I got this penguin. Panda. And these two are my favorites. I got this brown bear and I don't know what to call this, but they're really cute. Now let me show you how to stick them onto the wall. Let's do this.
So hi guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my fidgets.
Boom. Look at that.
Just to say that I do have a pea popper, but I just don't want to get it off my book bag. It's because I don't like to put it back on my book bag. So I got this
okay, let's stick it off.
Greenish, tailish poppet. If I'm shaking, that's my sister's that
it's
is
about to
coming
fall.
up the stairs.
Okay.
And I got this.
So I'm going to take them off now.
Yeah, that's
really sticky.
And
So these are all my fidgets. I'll be getting some more like in any days because they're out of stock. Bye.